Welcome to my second lesson, and today we are going to discuss about Kcse, paper 2, mathematics, and you see that paper 2 is the advancement of paper 1, and you find that form 3 and form 4, they form a bulk question under paper 2 paper. Now, we are going to see some of the topics in paper 2 Kcse. So that is Kcse paper 2 setting, and the first section is section A. So we are starting with section A. Section A. And these are the topics majorly can be or you can encounter in section A. Number 1, binomial expansion. So that is binomial expansion. And this find it in form 3. The second topic is formulation. So the formulation, again, it's in form 3. Another one is variation. Variation, again, in form 3. Another topic is logarithms. Logarithms, of course, in paper 1, there is logarithm. Another topic is approximation and errors. Approximation and errors in form 3. Another section is SATs. So that is SATs in form 3. So they form under section 8. Trigonometric equation. So trigonometric equations. Another topic is matrices. Another is equation of a circle. So the equation of a circle. And the last is quadratic equation. basically we discussed about the linear. So it contains linear. Another is cumulative graphs. The cumulative graphs. They are under graphs. And finally, quadratic is quadratic, and the curve graphs. Quadratic and graphs. So these are the topics under graphs, and most we find that they are set in section B. Most of them in section B. In section B. So if you tackle all these topics in graphs, you may be in a position of getting all questions under graphs. 3. Geometry. That is geometry. At the same time, you can find it in section B. You can find them in section B. And these are the latitudes. The latitudes and longitude. And longitudes. So these are the form 4. Loci. Loci, they are in form 4. Vectors, that is vector 2 in form 3. Finally, 3D geometry, section 4. That is special topic or areas. Special topic or areas. And here we have probability. Probability is a special topical. Variation is variation. So these are the form 3 and this is in form 3. We have statistics. Statistics is part of the special topic. Another one is circles. Circles, chords, and tangent. And tangent, they are part of the special topics. Angle property of a circle. Angle or property of a circle. Sine and cosine rule. Sine and cosine rule. Yeah, so those are the topics in special topics area. Another section is calculus and area of estimation. Calculus and area of the estimation. Under this topic, you find that it's being set in paper 1 at the same time in paper 2. So these are the topic: trapezoidal rule, evaluation, we have integration, and finally we have application. We have application of evaluation, and integration. Finally, we have kinematics. We have kinematics, and we find that this is a special application of calculus, and most it deals with motion. The last, you find that this section C, Form 1 and Form 2. So Form 1 and Form 2 topics, Form 1 and Form 2 topics, you find that in paper 2, they contain 20% of Form 1 and Form 2. At most, Form 3 form about paper 2 question.